The Hidden History of How Civilizations Leap. 1.1. A question no one asked. There is a question that once asked will quietly change how you see the modern world. If the Greeks invented science, why didn't they have an industrial revolution? Aristotle wrote his physics around 350 BCE. Euclid wrote the elements around 300 BCE. Archimedes calculated pi to remarkable precision and discovered the principle of buoyancy in his bathtub. Eratosthenes calculated the circumference of the earth accurately, using nothing but a stick and a well. Hero of Alexandria built a working steam-powered toy in the 1st century. By any measure of raw intellectual power, the Greeks were extraordinary. They had geometry, mechanics, astronomy, formal logic, and atomic theory. And yet, for over 1,000 years, none of this changed the world. There was no industrial revolution in Athens, no scientific revolution in Alexandria. The most advanced engineering of the Roman Empire, which inherited Greek knowledge, was used to build aqueducts, baths, and weapons. When Rome fell, much of that knowledge was lost for centuries. It took until the 7th century, almost 2,000 years after Euclid, for the world to begin to change in earnest. And it changed not in Greece, but in northern Italy, the Low Countries, England, and Germany. Why? Most histories of science, when they bother to ask, give an unsatisfying answer. Greek science was too theoretical. Greek society relied on slave labor, so there was no incentive to mechanize. The fall of Rome destroyed continuity. These answers are not wrong, but they miss something deeper. This book is, in part, an attempt to name that deeper thing.